Hi, it's Dr. Deanna Tyler from Apex Brain Centers. Another food item that is typically removed during a Whole30 is soy. Soy, when we're talking about the topicals, can easily be replaced with coconut aminos. But what's more difficult is to remove soy from food items in cooking. In America, soybean oil is one of the most common utilized oils. It's found in packaged snacks as well as any fried fast food. Problem with soybean oil is that it is high in linoleic acid, which is omega-6, and in the United States we have a difficulty with balancing that 6:3 ratio. The polysaturated fats such as the soybean oil has been associated with increased risk of obesity. Another factor to consider is that in some mice studies they found associations between high levels of soybean oil with inflammation, diabetes, and brain disorders. There's still more research being done among the association of soy with Alzheimer's disease, and the risk of Alzheimer's disease is exponentially increasing yearly, since the current prediction is that by 2031, 25% of Americans will have the risk of suffering from Alzheimer's dementia.